guys, this is me. I love bats. We're gonna be doing Funny Vines cat. So I'm kind of sick, and this is my first time. So let's get started. I'm sorry it pauses.
That's so sweet. I'm just
That's
go
the thing.
catnap. Get that out of here. Catnapping. I said get that shit out of here.
My cat looks like that, actually. I do it like that because my friend sneezed, but I couldn't. That's the rat. Oh my god, look at that shirt, and I don't think it fits him. It looks like too tight.
Where's the catnip? Some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot.
Move, cat. Almost hear like a song. He's dizzy. That was actually cute move. Let's start with the second one because it was
А всего лишь петуньи и...
let's fit that face though. Cats don't like water. Because that is actually water. Follow the leader. Oh my god.
$200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, cause I followed you home. Nigga, I see you.
Rap. Cool. Oh, he's got his little belly. Oh my god.
Let's take a picture. It's a video.
Oh my god. Poor kitty cat.
Can I help you? Oh, God. Rocky, you in here?
Oh, kitty.
Hi, my name is Ben. What's your name?
Fuck! Damn, it feels good to be a bad cat.
Çekiyor mu? Hashtag catmilk. Whisper, whisper, Mr. Pussycat. Hey, my face, get on the ground!
Oh my god.
Take one more step and I'ma fuck you up. Nigga, you ain't gonna do it. I told you I was gonna fuck you up, you stupid bitch. Oh shit.
Give me a kiss, girl. What the fuck? I'm a boy, you stupid motherfucker. You gay ass bitch.
Look at. Okay, so I laugh. And like, oh no.
I stole your bitch cause I'm a black cat. You just a stupid fat cat. Bitch! Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
That was funny. Is that his skin or what is that? Cute kitty cat.
John Cena!
John Cena. Hmm.
Say hi to everybody.
Oh, nobody said hi. Hmm. Oh God. I'm sorry, I'm very sick. Oh my God, he can get his head stuck. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, cute. He did it.
Here he is.
My God.
Keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you.
I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
How many of you have a cat? Put in the comments yes or no.
show some class.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey! I said class.
Dun, dun, dun.
Send them back to school happy. Everybody freeze! Get on the ground!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Your presence requested this evening. It's formal. Top hat, white tie, and tails.
Oh, what a cute little kitty. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, ah.
Kiss the counter, beat the goat. I have both and an empire also. Getting gifts from Santa Claus at the North Pole.
Cute. God.
Hey.
Hmm. Turtle. And this is actually my first video, guys. Angel.
Say no to drugs.
Is that cheese or a sponge?
Freeze! You don't smack it. You don't make it seem serious when you smack it.
A lot of kitties. God, look at that dog. But it hurts because he doesn't have no hair. Huh? Rosy cheeks. Oh no, that was on Snapchat. I bet want to get a lick from a cat.
It's Monday, Oreo. What do you think of that?
I have that copycat stuffed animal. Try and eat the fishy head.
The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to
Okay, so this is the end of the video. So leave a like and comment down below if you left and if you have a cat. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.